Yeah. The Boko Haram are now in Oyo. Some of them were caught. Look at their machines. And their guns were hidden under this truck. They escaped. But they've been caught, according to the report, between Express towards Ilora. So we have to be security conscious now. In fact, these days, all the trucks that pass through Express have to be thoroughly checked. They use it as hideouts, where most of their guns and other ammunition were being hid. Look at this one too. God knows what is hidden under this now. So we have to be security conscious. This no be Wasao. I saw it with my eye today. Just like James Bond film, when Abachaku engaged them with guns before they were caught. They were scattered because some of them escaped with their guns. So if it's AK-7, what's the name? So please, we should be security of ourselves. All these people that push Bola have to be cautioned. They have to be challenged. Gbogbo àwọn mọ́là tó máa ń tirin nínú estate yẹn, they are only there to survey this expressway between Olaroya and Mobi Express in Oyo. Yes. Before they were caught, look at their machine. They left with the cow. This truck was forced to stop. Look at the tire. Was punctured by guns. Sunmomi. Hey. Irú ilé ó lè káwọn àmọ̀tẹ́kùn ní àtòrí kó kàrà kàbọ̀ wọn kí wọ́n fi wọ́n lẹ̀. Booko kékeré bẹ́ẹ̀ kàrà kàbọ̀ wọn kí wọ́n fi wọ́n lẹ̀. Yeah. Be security conscious. Be security conscious. Oyo is not safe anymore. You can see by yourself.